A late night look at the weather now on BBC2 with Peter Cockcroft.
Hello again. We've still got a lot of very unsettled weather across southeastern parts of Europe at the moment. As you can see from the satellite sequence, these dark swirls of cloud moving in an anti-clockwise direction and giving away the presence of an area of low pressure. Now, it brought a lot of rain to Poland for the beginning of the weekend. These are some 30-hour totals, around about 86 millimetres, about 3.5 inches of rain. And you can see that's well above the September average, which is 60 millimetres for that part of Europe. Now, that low pressure area is still going to be around through the rest of the weekend. Notice lots of isobars across Eastern Europe, indicating some fairly chilly winds there as well, fairly strong winds, as well as the heavy rain and rumbles of thunder. But I think the Alps will provide some protection from that unsettled weather. So a dry day in Monza for the Italian Grand Prix on Sunday. The top temperature there, 24 degrees. Elsewhere though, underneath that cloud, that thicker cloud, where it's wet, temperatures probably only just struggling into the teens. And we'll find some thunderstorms scattered across other parts of southern Europe as well. A little bit more in the way of cloud moving into the Canary Islands through the second part of the weekend, and the odd light shower running down the eastern side of the United Kingdom, but more of that in a moment. That low pressure still around on Monday on the eastern side there, but I think gradually we will start to see pressure building across the Balkans around about the middle part of next week. So that rather cool wet weather continuing Sunday into Monday, and then as high pressure builds across southeastern Europe, the sun coming out and things warming up once again by Wednesday. Now, the warmest place in the United Kingdom on Saturday was down in North Devon, Salton Sands, at 21 degrees, that's 70 Fahrenheit. And if we take a look at the afternoon satellite sequence, you can see there was plenty of sunshine around as well, up over Scotland. But actually the sunniest places were Falmouth and Jersey, where you were able to enjoy 11.5 hours of sunshine. And it's likely to be sunny there again tomorrow, I think. Elsewhere, though, the cloud is beginning to creep back in from the North Sea. And overnight tonight, some thicker cloud, or at least a thicker band of cloud, will move southwards across Scotland, bringing the odd spot of rain there. Lowest temperatures once again tonight in some of the highland areas of northern Britain, as low as 4 or 5. That's low enough for a touch of frost on the ground. Tomorrow morning, again, we find thicker cloud running down the eastern side of England. The odd spot of rain there, that's that weakening weather front, that rain turning showery, but it's not going to amount to very much. And elsewhere, things brightening up and plenty of sunshine once again down to the southwest, with top temperatures probably around about 20 degrees. So temperatures tomorrow afternoon a little bit down on Saturday afternoons, and it'll feel a little bit cooler across England and Wales because the northeasterly breeze will be picking up once again. Things not really changing very much into next week. High pressure holding sway, with weak weather fronts just moving around the northern and eastern periphery of the high, but not bringing very much rain. That's it. Good night.